Guys, Apple is preparing two very different iPads for 2026. On one side, there's the upcoming iPad 12th generation, expected to be Apple's most affordable tablet. On the other side, leaks suggest the iPad mini 8 could receive some of the biggest upgrades in the mini lineup's history. Both tablets target different users, but if you're planning to buy an iPad next year, this comparison might help you decide which one is worth your money. Let's start with the design. According to current leaks, the iPad 12th Gen is expected to keep a familiar design with a 10.9-inch or 11-inch Liquid Retina display, USB-C port, and Touch ID built into the power button. Apple appears focused on keeping costs low while improving performance. Meanwhile, the iPad mini 8 is expected to keep its compact design with an 8.3-inch display, making it the most portable iPad in Apple's lineup. If portability matters most, the mini immediately has an advantage. Now let's talk about displays, because this could be one of the biggest differences. Reports suggest the iPad 12th Gen will continue using a standard Liquid Retina LCD display with a 60 Hz refresh rate. It's great for web browsing, streaming, schoolwork, and everyday tasks. However, leaks indicate the iPad mini 8 could receive Apple's first OLED display in a mini model. If that happens, users could get deeper blacks, better contrast, richer colors, and a more premium viewing experience. For watching movies, gaming, and reading, the Mini 8 could become one of the best compact tablets available. Performance is another major area where these devices may differ. Current reports suggest the iPad 12th Gen could feature the A18 chip along with 8 GB RAM to support Apple Intelligence features. That's a significant upgrade over previous entry-level iPads and should make everyday tasks feel much faster. But the iPad mini 8 is rumored to use either the A19 Pro chip or another high-end Apple processor. If those leaks are accurate, the Mini could offer performance much closer to Apple's premium devices. For gaming, multitasking, and future software updates, the Mini may have a noticeable advantage. Apple Intelligence could also play a major role. Leaks suggest both devices may support Apple's AI features, including smarter Siri, writing tools, image generation tools, and AI-powered productivity features. However, the Mini's rumored faster chip could allow some features to run more efficiently. For many users, this could make the Mini feel more future-proof. Let's move on to cameras. The iPad 12th Gen is expected to continue with a 12-megapixel rear camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage support. These cameras are perfectly fine for video calls, document scanning, and occasional photos. The iPad mini 8 is expected to receive similar cameras, although Apple could improve image processing thanks to the newer chip. Neither device is designed primarily for photography, but both should be excellent for FaceTime and content consumption. Battery life is expected to remain strong on both models. Apple typically targets around 10 hours of battery life on iPads, and both devices should easily last through a full day of school, work, or entertainment. The Mini's newer processor could improve efficiency slightly, but major battery differences aren't expected. Now let's talk about accessories. The iPad 12th Gen is expected to support Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard Folio, making it a solid option for students and productivity users. The iPad mini 8 will likely continue supporting Apple Pencil as well, although its smaller size makes it more suitable for note-taking, reading, and sketching rather than replacing a laptop. If you plan to type a lot or multitask on a larger screen, the iPad 12th Gen may feel more comfortable. Price could become one of the biggest deciding factors. Reports suggest the iPad 12th Gen may start around $349, making it one of the most affordable Apple devices available. The iPad mini 8 is expected to cost significantly more due to its rumored OLED display and faster processor. For budget-conscious buyers, the standard iPad will likely offer better value. So who should buy the iPad 12th Gen? If you're a student, casual user, or someone looking for a reliable tablet for browsing, streaming, schoolwork, and everyday tasks, the iPad 12th Gen will probably be the smarter purchase. It offers a larger display, lower price, and enough performance for most people. But if you want the most portable iPad possible, a potentially stunning OLED display, stronger performance, and a more premium experience, the iPad mini 8 could be worth the extra money. It may become the perfect tablet for travelers, readers, gamers, and users who want flagship features in a compact size. At the end of the day, the choice comes down to what matters more to you: a bigger screen and lower price, or a smaller tablet with premium upgrades and potentially much stronger performance. So if Apple launched both in 2026, which one would you choose? The iPad 12th Gen or the iPad mini 8? Let me know in the comments. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for daily updates.